Hi, in this time-lapse video you see how to layer pastels in a dog eye. It's the eye of a Great Dane, a very huge dog portrait, about 50 to 70 centimeters. Have fun watching! First, let's draw the outlines with a black, here with a black charcoal pencil. It's a very deep dark black, and then plot in some orange brown and blend it well with paper stamp. Add some highlights and brown color in the eye corner, and so layer the iris from mid-tone and go in with a dark tone, and then go in with some lighter colors. Add a bit black around and blend the edges well, and add some black details. Add black around the pupil and along the outlines of the iris. So always start with a mid-tone and add darks, and then go over with lights. And always add little details. Draw these iris in layers to create this glossy, realistic look. Bring in some orange browns here, some dark browns, a bit of a lighter color, and so draw with flesh color around, and always blend the layers well. I add here in the lower eyelids a bit gray and flesh color, and then here I add a bit of Rembrandt soft pastel black. It's a very deep dark black again around the eye. You see here the drawing process of this huge dog portrait, and yes, I'm working then again on the eye and bringing some details. Add some other colors like dark brown and draw some dots and little shapes in the iris. And then work on the highlight with some gray and also blue, and bring in different colors into the iris. When I have drawn the fur around, I go in again with more highlights into the iris and draw the eye matching to the rest of the dog. So I've brought in here some yellows and orange color. So the next lighter layers are then coming, and add different shades of orange, different shades of orange brown, and make this eye really glossy and brilliant. Add a darker orange and add browns, and always blend these layers together gently. Add brown, add some strokes, add some little details, and swipe over. Use the blending tools for blending these layers together. Now I add with brown again some more details. Use different shades of brown and go over with an apricot with a very light yellow, and use a bit more pressure for brilliant highlights. Go in with black again for darks. It's always a change between darker colors and lighter colors to bring in depth into it and to create a very realistic eye with a 3D effect. Always go in and add deep dark shadow parts, and go in again and add highlights. The lightest white for the brilliant highlights, and then different colors below, blue, black for the dark shadows. So I hope you have enjoyed this time-lapse video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and to get more of these tutorials. To learn how to draw realistic animal portraits in pastels, I invite you to join the early bird waitlist of my Animal Art Club, my membership. The doors are closed at the moment, but you will be the first who will be informed if you are on the waitlist, and you get all special bonuses. See you there, and see you soon in the next video.